What is up, guys? Today we are going to be going in infection lobbies, and then we're going to be rating how good these lobbies are or how bad these lobbies are. So let's get it. Oh, what the? Oh, whoa! Oh! Oh!
I hear you. I'm joking.
Okay. I was about to report you, bro. Alright. Oh my gosh, I suck at scaling, bro. Go. Bro, where is the lava monkey? Oh, damn, these lava monkeys are fast. Oh, crap, chat. I'm dead. Double walls. Please help me. Oh, go. Where'd my scaling skill go? Oh, my God. Oh, my gosh. Bro, where are these last people? Bro, it's not phase.
Yeah.
Bro, where are these last kids, bro? They're wall campers.
There's wolves afoot. No.
Yo, blue. Alright, we need red. Where's red? Oh, there he is. Oh, damn. Oh my gosh, bro. This is so rigged. Oh, bro. I got your booty cheek. Bro, were you trying to scale in front of me? Ah! Alright, we need green and red. And maybe blue. Yeah, blue. Bro, there's no way. I'm getting stuck. How did he make it up there so quickly?
Find out.
Oh. Oh my gosh, I can't scale stomp, bro.
I somehow got better at the game. Okay. Bro, I never played this with the wire and I got better. I don't know how. Hey, Green, do you have both of these items?
Oh crap, yep, we're dead.
There is a dead your story, look at the bone, dead story, your own dead, traces are dying for. We do not care.
What type of soundboard is that, bro?
took him out. I took him out. I kicked the goat out. I told him to smell his out. I took him out. So can you took him out. How high does this one go? Just put your finger on I took him out. I'm a good spoon. Can you make purple?
Oh dang, yo, there's a lava monkey coming for me. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. Hey, W climbing, W climbing, W climbing. Go, 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 go.
What do you mean don't be climbing, dude?
Oh my gosh. What?
I talked to him so I fell down.
Oh, go, 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 go. I freaking hate you. I'm just kidding.
I'm the best. I'm for sure the best.
Let me see your scaling skills if you're the best.
Just tag me.
No, I'm scaling. Dang, I'm scaling my way out of here.
Get Susie, bro. Get Susie, bro. You got tattoos.
Hey, hey, yo, Lava Monkey, do you know what a CD is? Lava Monkey, do you know what CDs are?
Yeah.
CDs nuts! Oh dang, bro. CDs nuts, bro.
Don't say that ever again.
Oh wow, I'm reporting you, bro. These nuts. Dang, bro, who let this 5-year-old kid say the swear words, bro? Dang, who let this 5-year-old say swears? I swear. Oh crap. Oh, I'm so dead. Yo, get pink. Get pink. Now if you get pink, I'll pay you 5 million shiny rocks.
You can throw the blade on it.
Oh my gosh.
Now you guys can
Oh crap, Lava Monkey.
Yo, bro, there's a red monkey up here. Come tag me.
Oh wow. Oh my gosh, bro, I can't vert today. I can't Lucio today, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, bro. Tee-hee-hee. Oh my god. As soon as I was about to Lucio, bro. I so gotta change my color code and my cosmetics, bro. What? Oh my gosh.
Ow.
Oh my gosh, bro. How do you scale so fast? Oh my god. You shouldn't have done that, little boy. Oh, big ass. Yeah, GG, hold on. Let me turn on my fan, bro. There you go. Oh my gosh.
I'm just gonna be playing some forest.
I'm so dead, bro.
did you just hear any type of word you just said that I came out of my mouth?
Hey.
Hey, tag me.
No, never mind.
Tag me!
No.
Hey, kid, why don't you tag me?
Wait, grab this out of my hand. Grab this out of my hand. How am I not getting these kids, bro? Yo, Bobby ate. John Cena. Bum bum bada bum. Omni.
Oh, I was about to do the J-Man curly.
GG though. GG though.
Oh, I suck at it.
I'm sorry, I did it. Come to the retard one more time, and I'm gonna give you a most easiest equation. What's 2 to the power of 10?
I'm gonna put on my OG fit, bro. There we go.
I want Pico. Who's Pico? I want Nico.
I'm Nico Cotto Avocado.
Guys, I'm top 1 gorilla tag. I'm top 1 gorilla tag.
Cap, bro's not TTT Pig. Bro's not Tom 1. Bro's not Tom 1.
Let's race. Let's race.
Bro's top 58. Bro's not top 1. Bro's not the top G. Bro's the top L.
Let's race then. I'm fast on ground. Let's race.
I'm fast on walls. Let's race. I'm just kidding.
Let's race. Come on.
Yeah, it was me, Red, who said that. Come on, let's race.
All right, down here. Down here. Wings. Wings with Ray Rosy Cheeks. Come on. Down here. Come on. Come on.
Whoa, my arms keep disconnecting.
Come on. Come on.
Whoa.
Come on. Come on.
I'm gonna get this
Come on.
bee.
What? No, 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 no.
But what happened to your controller?
All right, let's race. Come on. You say I was top L.
It was a joke, bro. It was a joke, just.
No. Come on.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Someone count. Get back here.
I won!
Cab, come back here.
If we're gonna
Someone
race,
count for me and Cab.
wait. If I'm gonna race, then Doug's is gonna race. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Dusted.
What do you mean by dusted? What do you mean by dusted? I'm literally right in front of you.
No, you're not.
Dusted.
You got that.
Dusted.
You got that. Don't ever come to the top L.
No, you just got dusted, bro.
See you getting dusted again. Dusted. Where's the dude going?
All right,
I'm literally Cosmo.
come on, go. Wait, who's Cosmo?
I got tagged.
Oh, the fastest gorilla tag player.
On ground?
Yes.
Okay, 3,
I'm
2,
literally Cosmo.
1, go.
Dusted.
Yo, that was.
No.
You're better, bro. You're
Come
better.
on, go back.
Fine, I admit it, bro.
Doomed me to a sad ending.
Bro, hey, bro, you suck!
Okay. He said you sucked, bro. He said you sucked.
How do I do this?
You fat going on a tree!
What is this?
You were not good juking me.
I was get juking you.
No, 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 Yeah, that's it for the video, guys. Just because, like, yeah, that's it for the video. Bye, guys. See you in 50 bajillion years.